The embroidery machine's running, so that's why you don't have words directly from my face to the screen at the beginning of this video. But now I'm working on the bodice of the little tiny Elphaba costume. Before I can connect the organza layer to the opaque layer, I have to mark where all the little frilly ruffle things go. And the ruffle things are just a crimped looking fabric that I got and gathered. And once they were all sewn on, I cut the edges into points. So now I'm connecting the opaque part to the organza part, but I'm skipping over each little frilly area. So I'm having to lock my thread each time. Also, if the Needle Workshop homies are watching, I tried that turn corner thing and it ends up with like a little loopy thing, so tell me what I'm doing wrong. Anyways, I needed to gather more of the crimpy stuff for the sleeves, and now on to connecting them. Scary lobster trap of pins is much worse on children's arms eye. Words of wisdom to live by. Anyways, here's where it's at right now. Stay tuned for the skirt.